Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what is HTML responsive web design and how it is used. HTML responsive web design involves employing HTML and CSS to automatically resize, hide, shrink, or enlarge elements on a website, ensuring it looks appealing on all devices, including desktops, tablets, and phones. Setting the viewport for a responsive website. Include the following meta tag in all your web pages. As you can see in this code, this tag sets the viewport of your page, providing the browser with instructions on how to control the page's dimensions and scaling. Responsive images are images that scale gracefully to suit any browser size. Setting the CSS width property to 100% enables the image to be responsive, scaling both up and down as needed, as you can see in this code. In the previous example, the image will be scaled up beyond its original size, if the parent container width is larger than the image size. A better solution is to use the max width property instead. By setting the max width property to 100%, an image will scale down if necessary but will never scale up to exceed its original size. Responsive text size. You can set the text size using the VW unit, representing the viewport width. This approach ensures that the text size adjusts based on the size of the browser window. As you can see in this code, the viewport refers to the size of the browser window. For example, 1 VW is equivalent to 1% of the viewport width. If the viewport is 100 centimeters wide, then 1 VW would be 0.5 centimeters. Media queries allow you to specify distinct styles for various browser sizes. For instance, the 3 div elements below will arrange horizontally on large screens and stack vertically on small screens. As you can see here, this code will make these div elements align horizontally on large screens. And this code will make them 100% wide on screen sizes having less than or equal to 640 pixels width, making them stack vertically, as you can see in this preview. This was all about HTML responsive web design. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.